Hello guys, it's your boy Maddox. As I promised from my other video, I will be posting a different recording of me riding the Uber motorcycle when I went to Paris a few days ago. And so I met this guy named Aiken, or Icon, I think it's called, yeah, Icon. The guy who's helping me out right now to ride the motorcycle. He actually made sure that I was safe before we started riding, and I gotta admit I was scared. I was a little scared, but at the same time, part of me wanted to do it because life is too short not to enjoy it, you know. And we are about to hit the road here, so enjoy, guys. All right, I will put this on my YouTube channel.
Thank you.
All right. So guys, if you happen to be going to Paris, Orly Airport to be exact, there is the calling card that he gave me, and get a hold of him. It's super fun to ride the Uber motorcycle. I suggest you try it. And again, thanks guys for watching. Love you all. Ciao.